So now we're ready for our first part of our lesson, something people actually forget about, and that is something called posture, meaning how we sit at the piano, both with our backs and how we hold our wrists, our hands and our arms at the piano. So first things first, you're going to find the position that is most comfortable for you, whether that's a bit closer or a little bit further back from the piano. Always take that time to find the position that is most comfortable for you. You're going to sit nice and straight back. Have some relaxed shoulders. Have a slight bend in your arms. Wrists nice and in line with the piano. And have those curves in your hands to go as well. Now, talking about your hands, we're going to start off by doing this. Turn your hands upside down like so. And imagine you've got apples or juggling balls or oranges in your hands. From this position, you're going to turn them back over again. Place them on the piano like so, and that is the perfect position for your hands. Now your wrists should be in line with the piano, not too low down or too high or too stiff. Instead, keep them nice and relaxed and in line with the piano. And that right there is the perfect posture for your back, your shoulders, your arms, your wrists, and your hands.